To add a set of stairs between two existing floors, we'll select the Stair tool, then click and drag where we want to place the stairs. We click and drag in the direction we want for the stairs to go up, or we can shift-click and drag for the stairs to go down. After we place the stairs, we need to form a stairwell. Creating stairwells is very easy. Click on the stairway and click the Automatic Stairwell tool. Let's open our stairs and see what options we can customize. You can see under the General tab a lot of information about the stairway, including the length, tread width, and rise angle. If your stairs do not reach between the floors, the program will tell you and help you make them reach. Also, the program will let you know if your stairs are steep. If they are, you can change any of the settings to make the appropriate adjustments. In the Style tab, there are several options we can choose to customize our stairs. Let's uncheck Open Underneath. This will close the area between the stairs and the floor. The Open Risers checkbox will remove the riser boards, which are typically used as a deck stairway or an exterior stairway. We can also remove railings and set our rail width. These stair options are available for both straight and curved stairs. Finally, let's create a two-level set of stairs. First, let's drag a set of partial stairs and then another partial set of stairs and click between them to create a landing. With the stair tools, you can create several combinations of stairs to fit your needs, including curved and stairs with landings.